To the Sherwood impeller, so they come threaded.
Okay.
We're gonna extract that impeller out. Take that out like that.
Look how easy that is to take that out. Now I'm with Scott from Impellereze.
What we
He's
do
going to
is
show you how easy it is to put it back in.
we're gonna put a little lube on this tube.
I know you're gonna speak up. I said.
Of course, the impeller would be all lubed up as well. This is a used impeller, so it's a little bit easier. You're going to take this impeller and you're going to put it in, turn it counterclockwise, just as it would in the pump.
Okay.
We're going to put this in this cone, push it down, all the way down to the bottom.
Good.
And then we're going to put this, we call it T-handle or a pusher. We're going to put this in here over top of the impeller. We're going to snug it down to where it locks in and stays straight. Okay. Now we're going to take the cone and we're going to insert this into the pump onto the thread, onto the shaft with the splines. Push it all the way down to the bottom. And now we're just going to extract that tool right out of the pump. And now your impeller is installed.
Okay,
That
super.
easy. That easy. No more zip ties, no more nothing.
And we can find you online?
Online at impellereze.com. We have a 5% off.
There we go.
Through the boat show. May leave it on longer. But
Thank you.
yes, you're
Appreciate
welcome.
the demonstration.
Thank you.
Alrighty, bye-bye.